Every year, you spend millions on tools that end up in the trash in just a few days. The pen gets lost, the wristband breaks, the flyer ends up at the bottom of a bag, and with it, your brand disappears too, without data, measurement, or a trace. Yet that same object could be something completely different. Not a gift, but an entry point. A single touch that opens up a live, updatable, measurable digital platform. Vonde technology has built exactly this. CityBand, the city that responds. The tourist arrives in your city, and in that very moment, they get lost. There are countless websites, apps, digital applications, and flyers, and they all say the same thing, just differently. They can't find the parking lot. They don't understand the language, so they stand in line at the tourist information office and ask the same 5 questions that 100 people have already asked before them. And meanwhile, the city sees absolutely no data from any of this. Now imagine the same thing with just a single touch. The guest at the hotel receives the city's own branded wristband with your logo and your colors. One touch and the city's page opens without the need to install any application. Sites, restaurants, parking, on-duty pharmacy, and if you have a question, don't go searching for answers, just ask. The AI tourist assistant answers in natural language using the city's official, pre-approved content in English, German, French, or any other language. And the wristband doesn't just give to the tourists, but to the city as well. You gain access to real data on tourist interest and activity, local restaurants and accommodations get a direct platform for exposure, and partner advertising spaces open up new revenue streams for the city. Because the CityBand is not just a souvenir, it is the physical entry point to a complete digital tourism ecosystem. EventBand, the wristband that keeps working even after the event. Your event ends, and the wristband lands in the trash that very same night, along with everything it could have carried: your communication channel, your sponsor space, and your data about your own audience. You let them in once, then they disappear, and you organize the next event from scratch, blindly, all over again. EventBand starts at the same place on the wrist, but it doesn't stop there. One touch or a QR scan, and the event's own digital interface opens on the guest's phone. Current program, interactive map, speakers, exclusive sponsor offers. Oops, is there a change in the program? You don't print posters, you send a message, and within seconds, it's on every wrist. Entry, communication, and marketing in a single tool. And at the end of the event, you don't close with empty hands, but with valuable data. The statistics show how many people interacted, which program interested them, which sponsor offer worked, meaning you know exactly what you're selling to your partners next year. All of these backed up by numbers. The wristband is no longer just for entry, but a digital platform. CareBand, the promotional tool that no one throws away. A branded pen lasts for 3 days, then it gets lost, and with it, your campaign budget is lost too, because you can't measure what it brought in. There is no real-time data, no customer connection. Campaign evaluation remains just an estimate in a spreadsheet. Pharmaceutical Promotion has been distributing the same tool for decades and getting the same nothing in return. CareBand starts where the pen ends, on the patient's wrist, and it stays there for 365 days a year. Made from medical-grade silicone, customized with your brand, and designed with a function that ensures it stays on your wrist, not in your drawer. With a single touch, without the need for an app, the emergency data provided on an opt-in basis appears. Contact information, allergies, medication, right when seconds count. GDPR compliant on EU infrastructure. Not just a pen, but a tool that can save lives. Your brand will no longer gather dust in a drawer, it will be connected to patient safety. And campaign performance is no longer an estimate, but a report per campaign. You start with a pilot of 1,000 units, you're live in a few weeks, and from there you scale it into a nationwide program. One platform, endless possibilities. The same logic no matter where you deploy it. A physical device that opens up a live digital platform with a single touch. 100% your brand. It can be updated without reprinting, measured in real time, and scaled from a pilot to a nationwide program, all GDPR compliant on EU infrastructure. The question is no longer whether it works, but what it would bring to your program. Book a professional consultation, and we will design your pilot together. One platform, endless possibilities. Be wonderful!